How to fix TikTok messages not working or sending. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if you are unable to send messages on TikTok. Now, the first thing you need to keep note in your mind is that if the person or if the user you are trying to text has turned off direct messaging, then you won't be able to text them. Now, in some cases, someone might have set their direct messages to be able to receive messages only by the person they have followed. So if they haven't followed you back, you might not be able to follow them. Now, if everything is fine, if not else, and you are still not being able to send direct messages on TikTok, you should go ahead and reset the app. Now, to do so, scroll down your notification bar and head over to settings by tapping on the settings icon on the top right corner of your screen. Once here, scroll down and search for apps, and once on apps, scroll down and search for TikTok, or you can search from the search bar for TikTok. And once you open up, scroll down below, and here you'll find the option storage. Now once on storage, what you want to do is go ahead and clear your data. Now what this does is it resets your app and basically removes any glitches or bugs that are happening in the app. So once you do this, restart your device and log into your ID on TikTok and you should be ready to go. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.